Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I'll explain you a new chapter, question tag. This chapter is not given in your textbook, but I am explaining this chapter as a part of your English literature activity of chapter 1. In the chapter Writing About Writing, you have given one activity based on question tags. Therefore, I have taken this chapter in your grammar, and the notes you have to write in your grammar notebook. Whatever you can see on your screen, you have to write in your grammar notebook. Understood? So let's start question tags. Students, you have studied this chapter in lower classes, 4th, 5th standard. Okay, and you know what is question tag. Then also I am explaining you. See, in Hindi, while talking to someone, if we need the confirmation of the listener, we ask them, it is very cold today. It is very cold today. This is the statement made by the speaker. If you want to confirm your statement, what you will do, what you will ask in Hindi, आज बहुत ठंड है ना? है ना? Okay, आज बहुत लेट हो गया, है ना? Okay, so है ना, this word is question tag in Hindi, but in English we cannot use है ना. It is very cold today, है ना? It is not proper. So in English, for this words, question tags are available. Question tag is a short question only, but it is not meant to ask question. It is meant to make confirmation. Okay, confirmation के लिए है. And question tags are, tag आपको पता है tag क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज़ का एक छोटा सा, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कपड़ों पर टैग होता है, प्राइस टैग, छोटा सा एक टुकड़ा लगा होता है जिससे प्राइस लिखी होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्राइस टैग. और एक क्वेश्चन होता है, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है, उसे बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन टैग्स. ओके, जनरली वी आस्क क्वेश्चन टू गेट एन आंसर, बट हियर वी यूज क्वेश्चन टैग्स फॉर मेकिंग द confirmation of the listener. Understood? So what is question tag? Question tags are short questions at the end of statement for confirmation, to make confirmation, and they are always interrogative. Question tags are always interrogative, यानी कि हमेशा वो सवाल ही पूछेगा, लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन मार्क इज पुट एट द एंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन टैग्स. सी, example is given, I don't need to finish the work. This is the statement, I don't need to finish the work. मुझे ये काम पूरा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है ना? तो do I is question tag. Do I is question tag. Understood? So question tag is the small questions at the end of the statement for confirmation, and it is always interrogative, and always the question mark is put at the end. Okay, end में question mark लगा हुआ होगा, and before that comma will be put. Sorry, before that comma will be put. See, ये question tag है. Do I, couldn't they, is she. Okay, so question mark is put at the end of question tag, and before that comma will be is put. Now how you will form question tag? If the statement is given negative, अगर statement negative दिया है यानी कि not use हुआ है और कोई negative words use हुए, then your question tag will be positive. This is negative. Okay, if the statement is negative, your question tag will be positive, and if the statement is positive, the question tag will be negative. Understood? See here also, she is never on time. Here not कहीं पर भी यूज नहीं हुआ है, बट नेवर इज शोइंग नेगेशन. ओके, नेगेटिव मीनिंग बता रहा है नेवर, वो कभी भी टाइम पर नहीं होती है ना. इज शी, है ना. ओके, तो हियर इट इज नेगेटिव. नेवर आया ना तो वो नेगेटिव है, ज़रूरी नहीं है हर बार नॉट ही दिया होगा. Okay, so never is also considered as negative word. So she is never on time, negative, and the question tag is positive. Is she? Understood? Study the examples. They could hear me. See, mostly question tags are made of tenses, means verbs, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स और मॉडल्स. ओके, ये सारी चीज़ों से बना है. वर्ब्स मीन्स टेंसेस. ओके, कोई भी टेंस है उससे क्वेश्चन टैग बना सकते हैं, या ऑक्सिलरी यूज हुआ है स्टेटमेंट में, देन यू कैन यूज द ऑक्सिलरी फॉर क्वेश्चन टैग. एंड इफ मॉडल इज यूज्ड यू कैन यूज मॉडल. सो हियर कुड इज गिवन, सो सेम verb we will take here in question tag. Could is positive, so we will write the negative of could, and it is couldn't. Students, one more thing I want to explain, that always the contracted form is used for question tag. Contracted form means you will not write could not they. Could not they is wrong. What you will write? Couldn't they. It is contracted form. And apostrophe T is the contracted form of not. Okay, so positive could, negative couldn't. Positive should, negative shouldn't. Positive is, negative isn't. Positive do, negative don't. Positive does, negative doesn't. Positive have, negative haven't. Positive has, negative hasn't. Okay, so all the verbs or auxiliaries and models you will use the contracted form of the verb. Understood? See the next sentence. She is never on time. Here, as I explained you, never. Never is negative. Okay, so is will be used. Positive question tag will be used. Put comma, write question tag, and put question mark at the end. Next sentence. Jenny eats cheese. This is the main statement. Jenny eats cheese. Now here no verb is given, means directly you cannot write it not. Okay, you have to find out the tense of the verb eats. So which tense? SES, present tense. And for present tense, to make negative we use does or do. Do or does. Okay, so here eats is given, so we will use does. And does not, and what is the form of does not? Contracted form, doesn't. Okay, so Jenny eats cheese, doesn't she? Jenny is girl. Okay, and always you will write the pronoun, whether the noun is given, then also you will change it into pronoun. Jenny girl है तो girl के लिए she use की है. Okay, always you will write the pronoun after the verb in question tag. You haven't seen this movie. See, negative is given, haven't. You haven't seen this movie. Use the verb given in the sentence, haven't. So we will write have you. Understood? They visited the zoo. Visited, which tense? Past tense. And in past tense for negative we use did. We use did. Okay, so negative of did is didn't. They visited the zoo, didn't they? Understood? She will do the work. She will do the work. See the negative of will, want. It is not will not. Will not नहीं लिखना है आपको, या willn't नहीं लिखना है. Both are wrong. What you will write? Want. Okay, WON apostrophe T. This is the correct contracted form of will. Okay, so keep it in mind, remember well. Want she. Then some exceptions are there. सम एक्सेप्शंस आर देयर. एक्सेप्शंस यानी कि कुछ चीज़ ऐसी है जो रूल के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं जाती हैं, रूल को तोड़ती है. हियर आई एम लेट, एम इज गिवन बट वी हैव यूज्ड आरंट. व्हाई? सो इट इज़ द एक्सेप्शन इन क्वेश्चन टैग. द नेगेटिव ऑफ एम इज ऑलवेज आरंट और एंट. ये दोनों में से कोई भी एक हो सकता है, कोई भी एक लिखोगे राइट है. ओके, आई एम लेट, आरंट आई. ओके, दिस इज द करेक्ट वे. देन लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. अब यहाँ पर बोलोगे मैम क्या यूज़ करें हम लोग. हियर यू हैव टू राइट लेट्स वाले कोई भी सेंटेंस है, यू विल राइट शैल वी. ओके, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है एफर्मेटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव एफर्मेटिव कुछ नहीं है. लेट्स वाले सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन टैग आएगा शैल वी. Understood? See, one more thing I want to explain you. The negative of shall. Negative of shall for question tag is shan't. What you will write? Shan't. Keep it in mind. It is not included in the notes, but you point out, you just note down this thing. Shall. The negative question tag for shall is shan't. Mostly will is used in future tense. Then also if shall is given, then what you will write? Shan't. Understood? Okay, next one. More examples are given. See, continuous tense is given. Tom was watching TV. So here you have to take this to be form. Wasn't he? Okay, positive is given. Use negative of that. Wasn't he? You shouldn't be so busy. Shouldn't. Okay, negative is given, so the question tag is positive. Understood? Then note, which I explained you, statements using barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing and seldom are treated as negative sentences. हम लोगों ने आगे देखा था ना यहाँ पर शी इज़ नेवर, है ना. यहाँ पर इजंट नहीं दिया है लेकिन नेवर दिया है, तो हम लोगों ने क्या लिखा? इज शी. वी हैव रिटन इज शी. सो इफ सम such words are used, barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing and seldom, we treat these sentences as negative sentences and the question tag will be positive. In such situation, the question tag will be positive. See the example. Nobody went to the meeting. What does it mean? कि कोई भी मीटिंग में नहीं गया. ओके, नहीं गया, आ गया ना, नहीं मीन्स नेगेटिव. ओके, सो went is given, so we will use did. Did is the helping verb for past tense. Here went is given, so we identified the sentence as past tense sentence and did is used in past tense to ask question. Did they? Nothing is ready. कुछ भी तैयार नहीं है. कुछ भी तैयार नहीं है. Is it? हम यहाँ पर isn't it नहीं लिख सकते. We cannot write isn't it here. It will be wrong. Understood? I hope you understood this chapter. And let me give some more examples for this. You will find some sentences in your chapter 1 also, but it is the special kind. See, one more thing I want to tell you, that question tag is not used in written language. It is meant for spoken language. Spoken purposes we use question tags. In written, question tags are not that much of used. Then you will ask, ma'am, in textbook it is given. It means the textbook is, first chapter is story only. It describes the story. Okay, so it is spoken language only and which is printed on paper. so that question tags are given, but this is meant for only the spoken purposes. So whenever you speak in English, if you want the confirmation of the person, you can use these question tags. Understood? So this is a very short chapter, and very less things are there to explain. Only the points which you should remember I have written here. All the points I have written, and the exceptions also I have given you. So keep all these things in your mind. Keep all these things in your mind and try to revise as many examples as you can. Okay, so keep this sentence in your mind: I am, and the negative is aren't I. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो लेट्स गो, लेट वाले जो भी सेंटेंसेस हैं वो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं देखना है, उसमें शैल बी. अंडरस्टूड? सो go through all these examples. Maybe I will upload the exercise for question tag for you. I'm searching it because question tag is not given in other books. I'm referring other books also. Okay, but meanwhile you can read your textbook and find out the question tags from chapter number 1, writing about writing. You will get so many sentences from the chapter. Okay, I hope you understood all these things, and we will meet in next lecture with new chapter. Till then, bye. Students, as I explained you and I told you previously that I will upload the exercises of question tag, and you have to write the notes as well as the exercises in your grammar notebook, as it is not given in your grammar textbook. So be careful in writing the notes and the exercises. I am solving the exercises here. In front of you, question tags exercise is given. You have to put the appropriate question tags at the end of the given statements. First sentence is, let's go to a restaurant. Okay, I explained you that let's sentences always have shall be as question tag. Shall be. Okay, then second one is, it is an expensive place. So here is positive is given, so we will write isn't it. Isn't it? Okay, isn't it? Third one is, you are the new secretary. Positive is given, are. So what will be the answer? Aren't you? Okay. Fourth one is, he can't wait for the classes to begin. Can't. Negative is given. Okay, and pronoun is given he. Can he? Understood? 5 number is, nothing can happen. Nothing is considered as it. Nothing is considered as it. And can positive is given. So what will be the answer? Can't it? Sorry, nothing is negative only. Okay, so we will write can it. Understood? I told you that nothing, never, hardly, barely, these words are considered as negative statements. 6 number is, open a window. See students, if imperative sentence is given as statement, जब imperative sentence दिया है statement में, then you will write will you. Open a window. Will you? Window खोलो. करोगे ना? खोलोगे ना? Okay. So answer is will you. Next one is, nobody phoned. Nobody phoned. Nobody negative है. Okay. और phoned past tense is given. Phoned past tense. Okay. So we will write did they. Okay. Did they. Then 8 number, Your mother is at home. So what will be the question tag? Isn't she? What will be the question tag? Isn't she? Shut up. Chup raho. Again imperative sentence. So you can write will you or want you or can't you. ओके कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. कैंट यू नहीं रह सकते क्या? कैंट यू, वॉन्ट यू. ओके विल यू भी लिख सकते हैं इम्पेरेटिव में. कोई भी नेगेटिव एफर्मेटिव दोनों में से कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. ओके इम्पेरेटिव में जब ऑर्डर दिया हो तब. 10 नंबर देयर इज़ लिटिल वी कैन डू अबाउट इट. सो हियर अगेन इट इज़ नेगेटिव. देयर इज़ लिटिल वी कैन डू अबाउट इट. बहुत कम है जिसके बारे में हम कर सकते हैं. ओके सो हियर इज़ देयर she offered to help the traveler. She offered to help the traveler. So here again it is past tense. Okay she offered to help the traveler, again past tense. So what we will write? Did she? Didn't she? Understood? 12 number John will be here tomorrow. Will be. Okay John is a boy. John is a boy. So John will be here tomorrow. What we will write? Positive is given, so we will write negative. Want he. Okay next one is he shook hands with her. He shook hands with her. तो 13 नंबर में didn't he, because it is past tense, so didn't he. okay past tense में did use होता है. this is positive, so we will make negative. 14 number you are much better off where you are. You are much better off where you are. So what you will write? आर दिया है, पॉजिटिव है. ओके सो आरंट यू. what you will write? aren't you. Then sing a song and forget your troubles. Again imperative sentence. Sing a song and forget your troubles. want you करोगे ना ऐसे. want you. okay 16 number we can't permit this. negative. okay so we will write can we. understood? so I explained you the sentences which are given in exercises and also the answers I have provided you. You will write in this manner only. okay so I hope you understood the chapter properly and write this in your notebook. maintain the notes. ये पूरा PDF आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है फ्रॉम ईयर टू क्वेश्चन टैग से स्टार्ट कर और लास्ट में आंसर्स तक. ओके आंसर्स तक दिए हुए हैं मैंने. So you have to complete this chapter in your grammar notebook as it is not given in your grammar textbook. Okay, so I hope you understood this chapter and you will prepare it well because बहुत ही अगर ये समझ में आ गया बहुत easy है chapter and if you understand it properly then you will fetch good marks. Okay, अच्छे marks मिलेंगे एग्ज़ाम में अगर क्वेश्चन टैग के क्वेश्चन्स आ जाते तो. ओके सो छोटी सी चीज़ है, बहुत इजी है. लर्न कर लोगे, लिखोगे, देन यू विल गेट मार्क्स. एंड मेंटेन द नोट्स प्रॉपरली. नोट्स भी मैंने दी है क्योंकि आप लोगों की टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है इसलिए नोट्स भी मैंने दिए हैं. तो नोट्स भी अच्छे से रीड करना. अंडरस्टूड? एंड अगर कुछ समझ में ना आए, इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड देन यू कैन आस्क इन आर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स ओके एंड आप लोगों को ध्यान कहाँ रखना है, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में और नो बडी, नो, नथिंग, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में। ओके क्योंकि हम लोगों से भी मिस्टेक हो सकती है, तो आप तो अभी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो। ओके सो आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर इन योर माइंड and you are following me and learning everything very well. So with this hope I am going. Bye.